Hello, this is Rocky's Vlog and welcome to my channel! Today's video, of course, unboxing. But before I start my unboxing, I will just say thank you and give a shout out to all my members. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And now, I'm gonna start my unboxing. This is a product from Amazon, from VICSEED product. And this is a paper towel holder. Paper towel holder. And I'm gonna open it. Let's see. It looks cute, the packaging. The packaging is cute. Yeah. It looks nice. Ta-da! And there's a card for... This is an instruction. All the instruction. Foam, of course. And this is the paper towel holder. There you go. This one. Maganda siya. It's nice because it's soft. It's a rubber. It's easy to put your paper towel. It's from VICSEED company. There, did you see it? The VICSEED. This one here. Okay. It looks durable. Hello. And ito yun, this is the tools for assembling it on your wall. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna read about the information of this product. This is non-slip silicone design, allows you to tear up a paper towel with one hand. It's so handy. If you're holding something in your left hand or your right hand, you can and you need to wipe something, and you wipe something off from your hand or from on the top of your stove, on the top of your table, you can just grab it by your one hand. You don't need a lot of force. The second is full anti-alloy paper towel holder. Maximum load is up to 20 pounds. Same material as Apple Macbook. Wow, it's really nice. And number 3, it is flexible, adjusted 360-degree, gives you the best operating viewing angle. And number 4, 2 options. It is adhesive and drilling. You can drill it in on your wall, or you just, if you don't want to put hole on the wall, you just put the sticker on it. It's adhesive. And number 5, it is fit for any size or brand of paper towel. It's really nice pictures of this very handy and durable looking nice paper towel holder. And I'm gonna put the on the description box, I'm gonna put the link to those who want to order, and I'm gonna put there the picture of this paper towel holder. See, looks really durable. And this one, you can remove this. If you want it to be adhesive, you can just remove this and stick on your wall. And of course, you need to wipe off your wall before you, and make sure that it's clean and dry, so this will stick on your wall. And this is for the drilling, if you want to drill it to your wall. So it's very handy and easy to assemble, easy to use, and it's, what can I say, it's really nice product. Thank you so much, VICSEED, for trusting me to open your product, to give me this video to give this product for me to unbox for you. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Hope you guys will purchase this really handy paper towel holder. God bless you all. Bye bye.